Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can do the reverse edit in the ShotCut apps. So if you have a video and you want to make or you want to play it backward, you can use the reverse feature on the ShotCut. And here is how you can do it. So first, click on your clip in the timeline and then swipe through the menu till you find the reverse option. Set this one, so just click on it and wait for the reversing process, and when it's done you can preview the result. So this is the final result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.